Hi everyone, welcome to Data Analytics blog. And on this Excel tricks and tips series, I'm going to be showing us how to actually use Rept to create or to how to use Rept function in Excel. You can use it to create charts in Excel. And this Rept function actually return a text string that has specified text repeat for specified number of time. So this is what it does. So it actually repeat, what's it called, it actually return a text string that has specified text repeat for the specified number of time. So assuming that we are having this particular, what's it called, this particular chart now. So this is actually, we use Rept function to, I use Rept function to actually create this particular bar chart. Instead of you to be using maybe bar chart, you are creating a, you are inserting, maybe you are inserting different, or you are inserting different option, what's it called, shape, to actually use it as bar chart. So you can use a Rept function to create this chart. So let's do this together. So assuming that I have this particular chart now, I have this goods and quantities sold. So and I want to use Rept function to, I want to show a, maybe like a progress chart, or I want to show it in a chart. So all I need to do now is to show my equals to sign, then Rep. Okay, I need to format this first. Let's format this. Or let's use this to format this place. So equals to Rep. I'm using as of Office 365, so you find that function in Office 365. I don't know of any. I think you can find it in 2021 and also 2020, 2019. So equals to Rep. Then bring out the, or your, what's it called, your double quote and a stroke, then double quote again, comma. I'm just going to click this, then close the bracket. So I'm going to actually, what's it called, what am I going to do now? The next thing that I'm going to do is to change the font to stencil. So come to this place and just search for stencil. This is it, this is the stencil. I've changed it to stencil. Then you can change the color to what you want. I'm going to change the color to anything that I want here. You can change the color to anything that you want. Let's assume I change it to this color. Then you can drag it down. Can you see? Simply, this is how to use this Rept function here. This is how to use the Rept function. It's so simple. So now if you change this now to this, you can see to give you different option. I change this to 20, you can see how it's progressing. Change this to 40, can you see how it's progressing? If I change this to 30, can you see? So that's how to use Rept function to actually create a chart in Excel. So now another way you can use Rept function, is to use it as a tracker. So you can actually use it as a tracker. You can use Rept function as a tracker. So let's assume this particular place. I'm removing everything here. Then I'm going to format it. So now the first thing that I need to do now is to show, okay, let me show us that particular, how this tracker work, how it work. So this tracker, you can actually use it. You can, maybe you want to use it, as a project tracker, or you want to use it as attendance tracker. So that is, you can actually use it to actually, you can use Rep function for that. So which I'm going to be showing us now. So now the first thing that I need to do here now, I'm going to insert a checkbox. So I'll click on insert. I have my checkbox here. I'll click on insert. Okay, let me bring it here. Then I'm going to replicate it to everything here. So click on insert. Now the next thing that I'm going to do now is to insert my rept function. So equals to rept, then again your double quote, stroke, again double quote. Then I'm going to use can't if now. So here now I'm going to show us how to use can't if with rep function. Can't if, so can't if, comma, okay, can't if, I've input my can't if, then I'm going to show this from this place to this place. No, from here, sorry. Can't if, then from here to this place, from here to this place. Okay, from here to this place, then comma, then show your true, return the logical value. The logical value that I want it to return is 10. Then my range will be, sorry, it's true. Then my range, then close it, then multiply by 10. So now this is the formula. In case you are looking at it, which formula, this is the, so now close it. So I already have my rept formula here. It's already there. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is to change the color. I'll come right here, also change this to this color. Remember, sorry, you have to change this. So you have to change this to, you can change this color, then change this to stencil, change this to stencil, front side to stencil. So now if I click here now, can you see now? No matter what you click, it will be changing. So if you click here too, this will also change. Okay, sorry, I've not dragged it down, so I have to drag it down. So if you click here, can you see the progress? Can you see the tricks that we can perform in Excel? Can you see it? So that's how to create, to use rept function to actually track, to use this as a tracker in Excel. So there are so many functions and formula and tricks that we can also find very useful in Excel. And I hope that you have learned this, another skill, another way to use, or another functions in Excel to actually make good use of it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also give me your feedback in this particular real video tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and also give me your feedback. Bye.